Okay guys, this is a short video on how to replace the fan, one of the fans on a Dell Precision 5550. Okay, so we want to start with we want to need two screwdrivers, a star-shaped screwdriver and a regular Phillips screwdriver. So what we're going to do, we're going to remove the screen, the bottom cover, using the star-shaped screwdriver. Always keep track of your screws so that you don't mix them up, because sometimes these screws are different shapes, different sizes, different types. All right, and we have two more screws over here. All right, and I believe the computer is still on, so I'm gonna make sure it's completely off. Yep, still on. We're gonna shut it down. Make sure it's complete and it's completely off. And then now, to remove this back cover, we have to open it like this, and we're gonna find a little gap right here. So with your nail, you can use the blade, but I would recommend you not doing it because you can scratch the computer. So just go one of the edges, see if you can find a gap, a little gap. Okay, it's not working there. Go around here, right here. All right, so I found a gap right here, and I just go with my nail down. I have very thick nails, so, or we can just find a pry tool, a guitar pick, then just go slowly around it. All right, so the back cover is out, just like this. We start from here, and now we have the the fan, and yep, that's the one we need. And to do this, we're gonna unplug the battery. This is like a little sticky stuff. Keep it in place. Just wiggle a little bit, just like this. Be gentle about it. Sometimes it gets really hard, depending, I might need to remove the battery, but since this is just the one right here, we're just gonna be careful. We wanna save some time. Put the battery back in. Just a little sticky stuff in here. All right, and now we are going to disconnect that. That's the battery, the fan connector, and then now there is two screws with the Phillips screws. Alright, we remove that fan, and then we're gonna put the replacement just like this. Okay, we connect the fan, the two screws, we put the bottom cover back in, and all the screws back in place. So that's a Dell Precision 5550. So that's a good way to do it. Fast and easy. Thank you.